Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable reading list automatically save offline for Safari on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings, and in the settings page we then scroll down, and from here tap on Safari. Next we scroll down and then tap on automatically save offline. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch off autosave for offline reading list. Now say here automatically save all reading list items from iCloud for offline reading. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.